Hello, dear students. Welcome in another video lecture of our entomology paper titled as Insect Taxonomy and Embryology. So, let us start. So, today we will talk about the methods of insect collection. In our previous lecture, we discussed about their habitat. So, in that, they have or the insects used to live in different niche, जिसे हमको पता है कि इंसेक्ट अलग अलग हैबिटाट में रहते हैं, तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट देर आर नंबर ऑफ different collection methods. So insects can be collected by the following methods. First is hand picking, sweeping, baiting, aerial netting, trapping, aspirators, and Burley's funnel. So today we will discuss about four type of insect picking method. So first we will discuss about hand picking method. What is hand picking method? So all the soft bodied insect which are minute in size are are collected by this method. So in hand picking method we either use the crude method, that by using our hand we can just collect the insect, or basically the forceps or hand brushes are used to handle such insects because the body is very soft and delicate. So to avoid damage their body, uh, we usually use forceps or hand brushes to collect insect, and this brush after collecting insect is dipped into the medium in which insect has to be preserved, या फिर जो लिक्विड मीडियम होता है, लिक्विड कलेक्शन लिक्विड प्रिजर्वेशन मेथड जो होता है, तो उसमें इंसेक्ट को डिप किया जाता है विद द help of brush. And dipteran insects and ants, termites, etc., which possess soft body, are collected by such method. You can see, you can observe here in this picture. So this is the picture of larva collection, and this is the picture of soft bodied hemipteran bug. So let us proceed to the next slide, where we have the another method of insect collection. So that is sweeping method. Sweeping का मतलब होता है झाड़ू देना, but not here झाड़ू देना. Here we have its sweeping type of net. I will show you the picture first so you will understand easily. Okay, this is the sweeping net, what is used to collect insects. So this sweeping nets can be used in herbage or along bushes. So the area where bushes are there, insects can be collected from there by using this sweeping nets. And these sweeping nets have 50 to 60 centimeter of depth of their nets, and the strong handle is there to hold this net. You can observe here in this picture clearly. So insects which prefer to live in flowers, bushes, or certain bushy areas can be collected by these sweeping nets. Let us come to the third type of insect collection method, and that is the beating method. Now in this beating method, the collector can use either stick or a pipe to sweep out or to dislodge the insects, or to remove the insect from the twigs of trees or any foliage by beating that stick in downward direction. That is, just after beating that, you can collect that insect into the tray or in particular net. आप कुछ भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. You can just use a stick or twig for beating purpose. So bugs and beetles, small beetles, can be collected by this sweeping method. Now there is the last method of our today's section is aerial netting. So aerial netting is basically used to collect the insects which belong to the Lepidopteran category, or the dragonfly, or orthopteran insects, or dipteran insects, or hemipteran insects. You can just collect the insects which are fast flyers. So these aerial nets can be used for collecting the free flying insects which are fast flyers. The dragonfly is the most fast flying insect. You can collect either moths or butterflies or wasps or bees by using this aerial net. And after alien netting, you can just turn off, or turn the net of this bag, or hold the net to just prevent the escape of captured insect. So here in this aerial net, you can observe that it has a handle, it has a net bag, and it has a ring. So this ring has 30 to 40 centimeter of diameter, and the depth of this net bag is 50 to 70 centimeter depth is there of this net bag. And the rod should be or handle should be light and easily manageable handle should be there for aerial nets. So this is how the insects can be collected by the four methods. So remaining four methods, which are trapping, aspirator, sorry, not four methods, only three methods remaining. So we will learn them in another video lecture. So hopefully you understand all the four types of insect collecting methods. If you have any query, you can ask. So have a nice day.